In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Stanley Steemer coupon promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Stanley Steemer coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called retailmino.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off site-wide, all you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says show code. So right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code, and you can use it in order to get a 10% discount on your next purchase. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use for some discounts. So right here, for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of carpet cleaning, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says copy code. So right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase in order to get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.